Hello and welcome to this lesson about animals. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to name a few pets, farm animals, and wild animals in Afrikaans. In this lesson, we will revise some of the words we covered in the sound lesson. You can find the link to the sound lesson in the description below. The words you need to memorize for this lesson are as follows: dit, it, is, a or an. Now let's quickly have a look at the word a. So in English, we use an when a word starts with a vowel, for example, an ape. And when a word starts with a consonant, we use a, for example, a bear. In Afrikaans, there are no such rules. It will be a regardless of the first letter of the word. For example, a aap, a beer. Note that is always written as a lowercase letter. If a sentence starts with a, the first word after a will always be capitalized. For example, a cat, a cat. But when a is in the middle of a sentence, the word after a will not be capitalized unless it's a proper noun. For example, dit is a kat. It is a cat. Plaasdiere, farm animals. Bees, bovine. Bok, goat. Eend, duck. Hoender, chicken. Paard, horse. Skaap, sheep. Vark, pig. Troeteldiere, pets. Haas, rabbit. Hond, dog. Kat, cat. Muis, mouse. Vis, fish. Fool, bird. Beware of the umlaut, the two dots over the e, because if the umlaut is removed, the word becomes fool, which means to feel. So fool is bird, but fool is to feel. Fool, bird, fool, to feel. Wilde diere, wild animals. Aap, ape. Beer, bear. Buffel, buffalo. Jakkals, fox. Kameel, camel. Kameelpaard, kameelperd, giraffe, leeu, leeu, lion, luiperd, luiperd, leopard, olifant, olifant, elephant, renoster, 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 rhinoceros, zebra, 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 seekoei, seekoei, hippopotamus, tier, tier, tiger, activiteit, activity. Kyk na hierdie prent en beantwoord die vraag wat volg. Kyk na hierdie prent en beantwoord die vraag wat volg. Look at this picture and answer the questions that follow. Let's first look at an example. Voorbeeld. The first thing you want to do is look for the number in the picture. And then you want to name only one of the animals you see at that number. So focus on the singular form. Dit is 'n hond. It is a dog. Now search for number 2 in the picture and complete the sentence. Dit is 'n and fill in the blank space. Okay, now you can fill in the rest of the blank spaces. And once you're done with that, we will have a look at your answers. Die voorbeeld is, the example is, dit is 'n hond. It is a dog. And then your answers should be, dit is 'n haas. Dit is 'n muis. Dit is 'n vark. Dit is 'n hoender. Dit is 'n leeu. Dit is 'n zebra. Dit is 'n aap. Dit is 'n kameel. Dit is 'n takbok. Dit is 'n takbok. Huiswerk, homework. Kan jy name kry vir die ander diere? Kan jy name kry vir die ander diere? Can you find names for the other animals? You can use Google Translate to help you to find the names of these animals. A quick tip though, be careful of the bat. A is skilpad. B is panda. C, pikkewyn. 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 D, vir verkleurmannetjie, verkleurmannetjie, verkleurmannetjie. Uil, uil. F, vleermuis, vleermuis. G, pauw, pauw. H, volstruis, volstruis. I, by, by. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.